Hello guys, so let's get started with ES6, and the first thing that we'll be doing is getting to know about let and constant keywords in ES6. So this course will be like we'll be studying by comparing ES5 and ES6 together. Okay, so what I believe that if you study by differentiating things, you understand much better. So I would be following that approach. So yeah, let's get started now. Okay, so let's first write me some basic code in ES5. So what I'm doing is that I'm doing while creating what would it be? Happy New Year. Okay, and I just made a block. It's not a function, just a block, and I made another greeting. And this time I am saying it be Merry Christmas. Yeah, right spelling. Okay, what I'm doing is that I'm consoling my greeting outside. Okay, okay, let's see what I get. Okay, this thing is in ES5, and if I run this in terminal using Traceur. Okay, let me first enter Traceur. Okay, Traceur app.js. I got Merry Christmas. So this is really strange, right? This thing was in its own block as compared to this greeting and this console. So if this console is lies in this scope, it should be having this scope, like it should be having Happy New Year. Okay, but it didn't. Yeah, so in ES5 what happens that it doesn't, there's no block, what do you say that, block scoping. So there is no block scoping inside it, and if I do this, let's add some ES spice to it, and this thing is now ES6, ES5, and let's run it now. I will get Happy New Year, and I got Happy New Year because in ES6 there is a concept of block scoping. Okay, what is block scoping? It is nothing, it is just that this greeting is decided in this scope and its lifetime, or it can be accessed in this scope only. The greeting outside lies in the console log scope, so this greeting will be accessed by this console log, not this one. Okay, so there's a rule called block scoping in ES6. Okay, let's write some little advanced kind of code. Okay, my array, let it be. Okay, let me give him something. Let's make a loop. 0 I smaller than 10, sorry, I plus. Okay, what should I be doing? My array dot push method, and what I will pushing? I will pushing a function which does is that it consoles. Yep, not int. I'm not in C++. It should be that. Okay, sounds good. C is good. Okay, now I will be accessing my array through for each method, and the value that I will be getting through my for each method, let be f, and the f basically what I'm doing that I'm pushing a function, so this thing should be a function and we'll be invoking that. Okay, so what we expect that if this thing is in ES5, we expect that for 0 iteration I will be 0, and first function will be consoling 0. In second console it should be iteration, it should be 1, and this should be consoling 1. So it's kind of it should be 0 1 2 3 4 5. but unfortunately this is not the case. Let's see why I'm saying that. Okay, this is 10. Why did this happen? Okay, guys, what is happening here right now is that each time this only one copy, you can say that only one, there's only one I, and each time when it's 0, I is getting initialized. Like if it's 0, it's 0, it's 1, it's 1, it's 2, it's 2. So at that last iteration, the value of I will be 9. So that value of 9 is get passed to the each I, because the I is getting reinitialized, so all the before copies will be reinitialized with 9. So not say copies, only one I will be maintained, and so we get the redundant values of same output like 10. So let's see, if we change it to ES6, what we get? We should be getting what we thought, and here we go. We got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay, what is happening that in each iteration the particular copy I, a different I is maintained at each iteration. So at first iteration the I is 0, at second iteration there is another I in which the value will be get initialized with 1, and the third iteration I2, like that. And in so the on my array, at each index there will be different value file, not the same as the values in ES6. If you're using let, I is not getting reinitialized. So I hope you get much clear that let follows block scope rules, and if we can easily use let in our loops or in if conditions or in blocks without getting unexpected outputs like we saw in ES5. Okay, see you in the next video. We'll be discussing const keyword in ES6. Bye.